Okay, I'm getting ready to change out the existing electric water heater, and we're going to install a new on-demand propane system. It's a lot cheaper to run propane than it is electric. Electric's about 5 times the cost per kilowatt hour than it is down in the lower 48. Since the resident will only be here for the summer warm months, I am going to install this on the outside of the trailer, and that way they can disconnect it in the fall and drain it, winterize it, and keep it inside. And then in the spring, when they get back, once temperatures are above freezing, they'll reinstall it and use it throughout the summer.